Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to day 3 of the North Cape trip, NCT. As you can see, the road is wet because it rained shortly before before we left the motel. So first of all, sorry for yesterday evening. I looked at the video and was like, okay, I had no energy left. So basically, yeah, I just apologize for that. I was tired. It was a long day, and the day before as well. But now it should be better, hopefully, because I had a good night's sleep. You know, I slept way better than the night before. What separate beds can do, you know. You know, my dad still, you know, talked a lot doing his night. But it was good. But anyway, let's talk about day 3. So we are off the highway, and we're off the highway. So I need to giggle because, you know, whenever there's a bump, my father like crashes into me. Yeah, off the highway, we're like taking like backcountry roads now, so we are embracing now the full experience. And yeah, it should be good. It's I have no idea how long it is, because I needed to put in some stops in between. So I think it was 5 or 5.5 hours. So with the highway it should be 4, but now it's 5.5. And then we arrive at a wild camp spot I found on the internet. Hopefully it's free, but there are plenty of other spots around the lake. So yeah, that's it. That's for today. You know, I will hopefully update you in between. I will maybe set up the second GoPro with a time lapse about the trip. Not sure that the battery lasts, but at the moment I just want to, you know, get into groove a bit, look at the scenery, enjoy, because it's just 70 kilometers an hour here and the road is wet. So I want to be a bit careful, because you never know. But yeah, it should be a gorgeous day. It is 60 degrees Celsius right now, so it's not the warmest. That's why I'm all layered up. I have an extra layer. Like I have like a balaclava for my head, so my head is all nice and warm. I have earplugs in. I still could add more layer to the jacket and to the pants, but you know, not gonna do that yet. The weather for the next day looks rather on the same side, more rain, and the temperature is about 60 degrees as well. So yeah, I don't think it's getting better the more north we come, but today we are crossing into Norway, so we'll see how it goes. You know, I'm excited. I'm all good. You know, I'm just at the moment fully focused on the road. Had no idea that this is so twisty in the beginning. Yeah, but you know, that's what we wanted. You know, no highways, and it's gonna be like this if we're going more north. You know, so hopefully you see some animals as well. Some reindeers or something. I don't think they are that south, but the more north we come, the likelihood is going to increase. I don't want to see bear or moose, because they're freaking humongous. But yeah, you know, day 3 already, you know. And if you go like a straight route to the North Cape right now, it's 1,800 kilometers. So yeah, it's still a bit to go, and since we're not going a straight route, it's a bit more than that. I don't think any car will come here, but you never know. So yeah, now fixed also, I forgot to mention it, you know, I also fixed my distance light. So all my lights are now fine and good and working order. So yeah, and I even have a spare light now. So yeah, fantastic days, you know, happy days. And I see, like, I paid 112 euros for the hotel. I could have camped here as well. Oh man, this is what I want. This looks so gorgeous. Maybe not the waste disposal, but oh boy, nice. It's gonna be like this for the next 14 days maybe. So yeah, I am happy. I hope you can tell, you know, I'm happy. Finally some, you know, my people, my colleagues work today. I'm off for the next 3 weeks, so yes, that makes me happy. But yeah, I will leave it to it. I will update later. I will just now focus on the ride a bit. I will also probably, you know, or turn on the sender for my father so we can talk a bit. I will also turn on my fog lights so cars can see me better, because I don't think they expect like many vehicles coming those roads here, because the highway is so close by. Look at the car like standing on the cliff. Oh my. Oh my, nice. Okay, I will update you later. I will now, you know, enjoy the ride. It's a bit to ride, and yeah, we'll check in at a later date. So yeah, talk to you soon.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal.
This is a short update, you know. It's still 154 kilometers until the destination. We just had a short break. We went grocery shopping, so we bought some, you know, something to eat for later today and for tomorrow morning. Yeah, some eggs, you know, bread, and so on. So nothing spectacular. Also, we had a quick yogurt, or so. Yeah, just something small to eat, you know, keeps the spirits high. Had something to drink as well. But yeah, now it's more or less the final stretch. The only thing that needs to happen is that I need to get more fuel.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared.
Holy moly. I have no idea why this road is like this. And it's raining crazy, and there was some thunderstorm as well, some lightning. Oh my god, and it's so freaking hard to drive. You know, I've never been crazy off-road, and now it's like this. Hallo? Ah, nice.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared.
Short update. We are on the way to the camping spot. It is horrific weather. It is not easy to ride, definitely. There's lightning, there's thunder, there are potholes. It's not like a main road here, so yeah, but it's only 3 minutes until the destination, so but even if it's occupied, which I doubt due to the weather, there are plenty of other small ways to camp, so we will definitely have some place to sleep here. Obviously it's not ideal to set up the tent when it's raining, but I've done it, and I also packed it. So yeah, but I'm giving my father the full experience, you know, the full camping experience. Now my visor's fogging up as well, so the full camping experience. Okay, we're here. Ta-da! Hello. Last update. We arrived at the camp spot, as I said. It is still raining, just lightly. But yeah, that's the white camping spot that I found. It's pretty good. Here on the other side you have some sheeps, you know, eating grass. You have this lake where you can fish, and my father's currently preparing the fishing rods. And then, you know, you can go all the way if there's something to sit as well, some fireplaces. And then you need to be careful because there's sheep poop everywhere. And then you have the road on top. There's a small building there, but everything is closed. And there's the tent, you know, the Lone Rider motor tent that I bought for the trip. And my super dirty motorcycle. Yeah, because we went yeah, some roads with no roads. There were no tarmac. So yeah, but it needs to be cleaned, definitely. And then on the inside, you know, we have this laid out for the moment, you know, just to have dry feet, and then with all the gear, and then some chairs and shoes, and on the inside is everything that's dry, sleeping bags, everything is prepared there as well. So yeah, that's it for today. You know, I'm super hungry. Everything is wet, you know. But we made it, you know. It's 385 kilometers or something. 5-6 hours. I need to check. I will add the data. Yeah. You have like a small library here as well where you can grab some books. They're even in English, so not too bad. But yeah, that's it, you know. It's probably a bit too cold to go for a swim. But yeah, so tomorrow morning, what day is it? Tomorrow morning, it's day 4, I guess. And then we have some bacon, some eggs, and some bread. And later tonight we have some steak and some bread as well. We still have rice and some sauce left, but we will use it at a different time. But yeah, I'm happy. The tent is good so far. We'll see how the night goes, especially with the sheep running around. Motorcycle is good as well. 51,000 kilometers now, like to the dot. But yeah, pretty happy with everything. Pretty happy. Oops. And it is looking good, you know. I'm happy, you know. It's the first time in a long time that I do this, so yeah, I'm exhausted, so I will eat something now and then catch you guys tomorrow, you know. New day. Have a good one. Bye bye.